Hi, my name is Michael Trout, and I'm the founder and inventor of the Foundup and the Open Incubator Framework. Now, I'm inviting you to be part of the development team for Foundups Corp. Foundups Corp is a C corporation. We're a social venture that aims to disrupt the way startups are done. You know, startups, in my opinion, are evil because one is, in all likelihood, you're going to fail. They require you to basically quit everything, to jump headlong into something, put your family, put everything at risk for the hope of a dream. And when your likelihood is failure and you're asked to do that by individuals, I'm sorry, but I think that's evil. Maybe you disagree with me and you think that's just the way business is. I believe there's a better solution. And the solution is my Foundup and its Open Incubator Framework. Now, a Foundup is like a hobby. Kind of like open source software, there's no requirements of time or dedication. You can participate when you can develop when you can, and we will produce startups in the same way we produce code for startup open source projects. However, we're not an open source project. We're a closed project, right? Using the methodologies of open source project to get our project developed. Now, why should you want to participate? Well, we're going to pay you twice your hourly rate in Foundup dollars. Now, Foundup dollars, you can't go in the store and spend at this time. You can't do much with. Well, eventually, one day you will. They'll have value. But right now, what we do use Foundup dollars for is for you to buy equity in any Foundup when it launches into a startup. Because we know, in all likelihood, the project that you're working on probably will not take off. I'm not going to lie to you. However, it doesn't matter because you can save your Foundup dollars, and on the next project that is launching, before the institution investors, before the select few, the billionaires, the 1%, get their grubby little hands on that sexy, profit-making, Foundup that's going to be a startup. Guess what? You can spend your Foundup dollars and purchase warrants, our warrants that are already allocated into that startup. So what it means is we can mitigate your risk, and to make it possible for you to participate in a Foundup on your terms, on your schedule, in a relaxed and fun way, and then take those investments, that time investment, right? Think of it as a hobby. Foundups are hobbies. They're laid back, they're fun, they're easy, they're not serious, they're not risky. And then be able to purchase equity. We will produce the next Facebook. We will produce eventually the next Google. We will produce, what I'm saying, the next billion-dollar startup. And you will be able to have a piece of it by participating in the Open Incubator Framework. And I have written a lot, I've done a lot of videos so you can learn more, but I want, this is not for people who are unemployed, okay? This is not for people who need money. This is for individuals who have a very good job, who feel underappreciated, who feel like, they can give and do a lot more, but they're not willing to take that risk and jump into a startup because startups are foolish, to be honest. The reason why VCs don't back startups, they invest in projects that are making money, they don't invest in seed products, is because they're too risky, right? So I know you're a smart developer, I know, but you probably feel like, you know what, I'm going nowhere, I'm at a dead end, yeah, I'm making great salary, but I want to do something sexy, I want to do something new, I want to apply my talents, my ability to help make this world a better place, to help develop some really killer, software and involved in a project that when it does take off, I can be part of it, and I can leave this stuffy job of mine and come and do a really, really good thing. So if that describes you, then I want you to contact me. And let's disrupt the whole startups. Let's disrupt Silicon Valley. Let's disrupt the 1% that right now that's controlling pretty much all of new innovation. And let's make it open to everyone. My name is Michael Trout. You can call me anytime. I'm available 24/7. People call me at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. It doesn't matter to me, okay? I sleep next to my phone. I appreciate to be woken up, because in my opinion, if I'm sleeping, I'm not being productive, all right? So please wake me up, get me back to work if I'm having to be taking a nap. My number is 202-360-4467. I'm in Japan. That number is a DC number. So if you're an American, if you want to, it will ring in Japan at no cost to you. It's a local number, it's a DC number. You can email me at mtrout@foundups.com. mtrout@foundups.com. Thanks.